Our Clapton Coffee Table comes with these contents. These are the tools that you'll need. First, lay the tabletop planks on the floor with the logos facing upwards. Use a straight edge to align the planks. Then, attach the shelf planks between the two legs using the bolts and Allen key provided. Ensure the bottom of the legs are pointed away from each other. If needed, screw the height adjustable feet into the bottom of the legs. Place the leg frame with shelf upside down on top of the table planks. Make sure to centralize the frame within the width and length of the tabletop. Drill pilot holes through the leg frame into the planks, then fix in place using the screws provided. Repeat for the other side of the frame. Take care turning over your table. Now grab a brew, style, and enjoy.